Hey guys, welcome back. I have another magically fast arrival of a few diamond paintings from gbfke.com. They offered to send me some more diamond paintings and they only wanted to know the sort of themes of diamond paintings I enjoy doing. So I told them cartoons and animals. And so they sent me 6 paintings. Again, I viewed my email like this. So there's not actual pictures of the paintings and I don't really know what I'm gonna get. But this one was shipped on August 27. And today, I just got it literally half an hour ago. Today is the 4th of September. So that's crazy, insanely fast. But anyway, let's get into this. So this is what we have, what we're looking at. So let's just get all of these out of here. Oh, where to start, Let's start with a tiny one. It just has a code on there. Not really info of the size or whatever, so we'll see. This looks like a partial. It's actually quite funny if you, let me zoom you guys in. You can actually see the boat in there, which I think is quite funny. But this, yeah, it looks like a partial and, ooh. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love these colors. So this one is just called Cat. 8 colors. And they're not special shapes, so they're just, wow, that was loud, sorry. Very, very basic token. They do have DMC codes even on the drills. C310 right there. So these are just normal round drills, but the painting is partial and I love this. What I also love about this, and I don't know if you guys can actually tell, but the canvas itself is very glittery, which makes a tiny painting like this awesome to frame. I love the butterflies in there, and he has wings. And yeah, getting a little personal, but I had an all black cat. His name was Robbie and I loved him to bits. He was with me for 18 years. So when I look at this, I'm like, this would be Robbie looking down at me from above. Okay, not getting too emotional. Let's not do that, okay? Okay, okay, okay? Okay, let's open this one. I think we have another partial, just by the looks of it. How does this goes like this? Oh! These are unicorns. She said, amazed. These are unicorns. Oh, wow. You know, sometimes with images like this, it's good that it's a partial because details like this, and you know, you're never gonna create those details with drills unless you make a huge painting. So this It looks awesome. And I'm looking at it upside down, of course. Let me just quickly look at the, okay, so that's a waterfall, yeah. Okay. This looks great. And tiny project, 7 colors. Yeah, 7 colors. All like 7 shades of gray. By the looks of it. These don't have DMC codes, but that's okay. I love paintings like these. Partial ones. I should order them more often. Okay. Another one. If I can manage to open it. Okay. So how's your day going so far? I just finished working for the week and I'm like, okay, weekend, here we go. This is not a partial. Yes, it is. But what is it? What is this? Ooh! It's an owl. And this is special shape too. Oh my god. Oh, this is such an iconic picture of the owl. See this all over AliExpress, but I've never ordered it actually. I always thought this picture, and I know that's probably just me, but I always thought this picture would be awesome for like a tattoo. Anyway, so we have 8 colors. All toolkits thus far are the same. If there are any changes, I will let you know. So yeah, these are a special shape. Let's check it out. Can you like not do that? Can you just, you know, stay flat for the viewers? Okay. Hopefully this will. Maybe not. Okay, so yeah, 8 colors. That is, oh, I never seen that before. Okay, let's check it out. So these are like the Rhinestone Diamonds. Let me just show you this side. All black ones. Lots of blues. Oh, and this is my favorite color right here. I love that. So these are just number 1, 3, 5, R, 6, Y. And then we have Y1, which are these. And we have Y117, which is kind of, it's a little strange why you would have like such a long code for a drill. I mean, it's a big drill, so it's not an issue at all, but I'm like, why not just call it number 6? But these drills are very, they're like just glitter. Glitter like, okay, can you see that? Like glitter, acrylic, like sort of beads. Not mad about it. I love this. Okay. So yeah, these were special shapes, so I had to show you guys exactly what's going on. I love the owl. Okay. What's next? This doesn't, the weight, it doesn't feel like a partial. But of course, I could be wrong. Nope, this is not a partial. Let's see what I have. Am I going to the, ooh. Oh, wow. Now that is stunning. Oh, we have 24 colors. So this is a 30 by 30-ish. Probably 25 by 25. Painting. Beautiful. I don't know, is it a fox? Okay, fox. Sorry, almost missed it. It's a fox. This is cute. We have GMC codes. We have all letters, capital letters, as well as, yeah. Oh, that's great. All letters. I love that. So, and these are the drills. So I'm guessing, yeah. We have a lot of 3865, which are the eyes all around. I see 3 bags in there. DMC codes on the canvas and on the drills as well. This is exactly the same. I like this one. I don't know, I've been such a huge fan of color blocking for some reason lately. Don't know what's up with that. But yeah. Shall we do a quick test? Oh, very sticky. Awesome. Okay. I can't wait to see the final suit. Let's get the... This one is bigger, but it feels lighter, so I'm kind of curious what's up with that. Let's open it and find out. Here we go. Ooh. Okay. What's this? Oh, again, a perfect, like, cartoonish tattoo figure, I believe. Okay, so this is a dolphin, a 30 by 30, 19 colors this time. Oh, and I love my blues. Look at all those blues. Perfect. No DMC codes on the drills this time, but they are on the canvas. I haven't even zoomed in on any of the paintings to show you the drill field. That's very nice. Let's go back for a second and do that. Now I know the drill fields of these paintings are amazing, but it's nice for you guys to actually see. They are so easy to work on. Most of them you don't even need a light pad, but I always use one anyway. Just so used to it, it's like. But yeah, this is very, very clear, and the same goes for this one right here. I don't see anything that will be hard to do or that is unclear in any way. Okay, let's get you back. Hold on. Here we go. Okay. Love this one. I'm feeling so blessed to receive all these paintings. It's so awesome. So this is number 6, our final painting. Oh. I don't know what that was all about. let's see what's going on here. What we have. It's Marie. Oh, I am in love with this image already. That is so cute. It has a rose and her name and everything. Oh. Every time I see an image like this, I'm like, okay, I should really watch the movies like again, you know? Okay. Let's see this. And let's soften out this a little. This is perfect. 16 colors. This is a 30 by 40. This is new. This piece right here. I don't know what that is about. Yeah. Oh, I love this one. Yeah, I've been working on a large project for so long that I just want to, you know, pause and do all like smaller ones. But yeah, first we have to finish the big ones. Who gets the same? Drills are perfect. Why? Because they're already ready to go. Separate bags, separate Ziploc bags. You just have the numbers on there. And yeah, we don't have any DMC codes, but that's okay. And these drills, they look so good. Really, really good. We have some symbols. Oh, we have 2 whole symbols. That's nothing to be afraid of. And let's zoom in one last time to show you guys up close what it looks like. This is so clear. Very good. Oh, there's someone else. Very, very clear. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, and we're back. Thank you so much to gbfke.com for sending these paintings to me. I absolutely love them. I want to do all of them like right now. They're amazing. To all of you, be safe, stay healthy, happy diamond painting, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!